What is the process by which green plants make their own food? Answer. Photosynthesis. Which pigment helps in photosynthesis? Answer. Chlorophyll. Photosynthesis occurs in which cell organelle? Answer. Chloroplast. Which gas is absorbed during photosynthesis? Answer. Carbon dioxide. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Answer. Oxygen. What is the main source of energy for plants? Answer. Sunlight. What is the byproduct of photosynthesis? Answer. Oxygen. What is the main site of photosynthesis in a plant? Answer. Leaf. What is the green pigment present in leaves called? Answer. Chlorophyll. What is the raw material for photosynthesis? Answer. CO2 and H2O. Which part of the plant absorbs water? Answer. Roots. Which part of the plant transports water? Answer. Xylem. Which part of the plant transports food? Answer. Phloem. What type of nutrition do green plants have? Answer. Autotrophic. Which process converts solar energy into chemical energy? Answer. Photosynthesis. What is the carbohydrate formed during photosynthesis? Answer. Glucose. What is the site of gaseous exchange in leaves? Answer. Stomata. What type of nutrition do non-green plants show? Answer. Heterotrophic. Name the organism that lives on dead matter. Answer. Saprophyte. Name the organism that depends on others for food. Answer. Parasite. Name the insectivorous plant with pitcher-shaped leaves. Answer. Pitcher plant. Name one parasitic plant. Answer. Cuscuta. Cuscuta is commonly called. Answer. Amarbel. What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? Answer. Saprophytic. What are plants that trap insects called? Answer. Insectivorous. Name one insectivorous plant. Answer. Venus flytrap. What are the pores on the leaf surface called? Answer. Stomata. What controls the opening of stomata? Answer. Guard cells. What are green plants called in food chain? Answer. Producers. Name the pigment that captures sunlight. Answer. Chlorophyll. Photosynthesis mainly occurs in which part of leaf? Answer. Mesophyll. What is the full form of CO2? Answer. Carbon dioxide. What is the full form of H2O? Answer. Water. What type of energy is sunlight? Answer. Solar energy. What type of reaction is photosynthesis? Answer. Endothermic. What element is essential for chlorophyll formation? Answer. Magnesium. What is the source of oxygen released in photosynthesis? Answer. Water. What is the first product of photosynthesis? Answer. Glucose. What is the stored form of food in plants? Answer. Starch. What is the process of making food by plants called? Answer. Photosynthesis. What are non-green plants called? Answer. Heterotrophs. Name a symbiotic association in plants. Answer. Lichen. Lichen is an association of. Answer. Algae and fungus. Name one root parasite. Answer. Cuscuta. Name one stem parasite. Answer. Mistletoe. What is the color of chlorophyll? Answer. Green. Which light is most effective in photosynthesis? Answer. Red light. Which light is least effective in photosynthesis? Answer. Green light. Name the process opposite to photosynthesis. Answer. Respiration. What is the balanced equation of photosynthesis? Answer. 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Right pointing arrow C6H12O6 plus 6O2.